Hi, I'm Stacia Weishaar, and today we're going to talk about the appraisal contingencies. So, in a competitive situation, you might consider waiving certain contingencies. The appraisal contingency is a very important contingency. I always tell my clients, you cannot waive that appraisal contingency without talking to me first. The reason why is because my job is to anticipate any risk that we foresee when you put an offer on the home. Waiving the appraisal contingency basically states to the seller, I am offering you this price for the house no matter what the home appraises for. I've told you before, who represents you as an agent and a lender in this market is very important. But equally important is who does a lender work with for appraisals. Appraisers are independent third parties that lenders hire to go out and make an assessment on the value of the property. Here's the important thing to understand about the appraisal contingency. When you waive that contingency, and if the home does not appraise for the price you're willing to pay, your house price has been escalated, you were in a bidding war, and it doesn't appraise, you are potentially at risk of bringing in more money to cover the delta between the purchase price and the appraised value. And sometimes there can be a difference. Now, you would think, as a consumer, an appraisal is an appraisal is an appraisal. And the reality is, it's not. I like to say, my friend who's a physician, she always tells me, D's get degrees. This is no different. So working with a lender who has an appraisal panel can be the biggest piece of your success when waiving your appraisal contingency. Here's the thing. Your finances are based off the lesser of the two, the purchase price or the appraised value. And if you waive that contingency, you might be bringing in more money. However, there are ways to get creative and potentially pull some money from the down payment and apply that to the delta. I will not let my clients write offers on waiving their appraisal contingency without looking at the math both ways. We need to be very comfortable with our worst case scenario, and then we'll be happily surprised when the property appraises at value. We work with an appraisal panel. Remember, this is also a very important piece to your success. Who does your lender work with when it comes to the appraisers? If you like this, click like and subscribe. And also be sure to follow us because we like to make mortgage financing simple so that you can become a homeowner.